all, today I wanted to talk to you about genetic recombination. I get a lot of questions about this. Why am I so different from my half siblings, like our ethnic makeup, or why are my kids different? And that's due to something called genetic recombination. And the best analogy that I've used to explain this really quickly so everybody understands is, let's say you make a pot of soup and there's beef, carrots, peas, and potatoes in it. And you ladle out a bowl of soup, and in that bowl of soup is 10 pieces of beef, 5 peas, a couple potatoes, and 1 carrot, okay? And then you ladle out another bowl of soup, and in there's like 2 pieces of beef, like 30 peas, 15 carrots, and 10 potatoes. And then you ladle out another bowl of soup, and there's like, 2 pieces of beef, and 15 pieces of potatoes, and 5 carrots, and just a couple of peas, all from the same pot of soup, but you have such different bowls from that. That's due to genetic recombination. That's the way to describe it. So I have 3 sons, and they all have slightly different ethnicities, and I'm related to them slightly different, meaning we share different centimorgans amount. No, it's not all over the place. I mean, there's always some outliers sometimes, but like I'm more related to one of my sons than another one. I am exactly 50% Jewish. One of my sons is 20% Jewish, and another one is 25% Jewish. Why does that happen? Genetic recombination. A note about ethnicities, though, I will add in your over-the-counter DNA test. Your ethnicity is based on the data that particular genetic testing agency company has. So like in Ancestry, they have their database. 23andMe has their database. MyHeritage and Family Tree DNA, they all have their own databases. So your ethnicity may be different depending on which company you test with. Also, it will change over time how much you have of a certain ethnicity, or it might, because they test more people and therefore they update their database and therefore they have more information and update the ethnicity. Obviously, your ethnicity hasn't changed in your DNA, just what they know about it has changed. Anyway, genetic recombination, that's what makes us different.